Alright, Freshman Multimedia, quick little video on what the acrostic name poem is all about and what exactly you're turning in. So on the assignment, Google Classroom, here is the directions. So you're using the website that's attached, and it's referring to this right here. And you will use the letters of your first name to create an acrostic name poem. So the words will ideally represent interests of yours or personality traits. You should use the information from the Myers-Briggs personality website to help you find ideas and or words. Or you can do a Google search of adjectives for the letter you're looking for. For example, if I was going to look for adjectives for the first letter in my name, P, I would put into a Google search adjectives that start the letter P, and there will be lists and lists and lists of them. So the form that we actually do is here, so I'm going to click on this, and you'll click Get Started. You'll put your first and last name in the first box, second box, just your first name. And we'll click Continue. This is the one I said we could skip because we're going to go directly to putting in the words for each of our letters. So once you look up, so if I were to look up adjectives that start with the letter P, let's say I didn't know what my words were. Look through here, patient, peaceful, perfect, perky. So I think I've used patient, and I'm going to go do that now. And so click there, patient, and then E I think was for educated, T for tennis because that's a big part of my life. The other E was eccentric, I believe, and R was for risky, or just risk in general. And when you click continue, this is the form that you're going to get. So there's two ways that you can save this. You can export it. Well, export or save, I believe, is going to be the same thing. So if I click save, it actually saves as a PDF right here. If you export it, it's going to do the same thing, so you're going to see a download arrow like this, or you just do a screenshot. So if you're using your snipping tool, you press new, and let's say we get this portion, so it says acrostic poem, and that way you have all the information that you need from your acrostic, and you'll save that and attach it. So if I do that now, save that to my desktop. Let's do this. And then I'm going to turn it into the student side of Google Classroom. And there it is. What is happening? Okay, so log in already. Come on, James. And then we'll go in here to the classwork, and here's the acrostic poem. And I'm going to add the file that I screen captured. I believe I called it acrostic, so it should be right here. And that's how you turn that in. So you're going to be using those words from this acrostic for the word cloud that we're going to do next. So look for that. If you have any questions, come back to this video and this assignment, and you will find all the answers you need. See you back in class.